Hey there. This guide shows you how to easily change the notification sound for Google Messages on Android in 2026. Customizing alerts helps you recognize messages faster and gives your phone a more personal feel. Customizing alerts helps you recognize messages faster and gives your phone a more personal feel. Open the Google Messages application. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner, then select Messages settings from the menu. Inside Settings, tap Notifications, then choose Notification categories to view detailed options. Now tap Incoming Messages. Make sure you press the text, not the toggle switch. Select Sound and browse through the available tones. Pick one that you like and press Save if required depending on your device model. You can also set different sounds for individual chats so important contacts stand out. If your phone is on silent mode, these settings may not play sound unless Do Not Disturb is turned off. Always test your new notification tone to confirm it works properly. And there you have it. Your Google Messages notification sound is now updated and ready to use. Small tweaks like this can greatly improve how quickly you respond to new messages throughout the day. Enjoy your personalized notification setup now on your Android phone.